Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to show you the step-by-step process how to install the Android 12 in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So yes friends, recently the OnePlus did release the Android 12, so where you can actually download in the OnePlus Nord 2. And a quick note, this is only available for about Indian unit only, not for the European unit. So make sure to remember that when you're trying to follow the step-by-step process. So first go to the official community application which is present in your OnePlus Nord 2 device, and there try to search for the discussion forum which is available, so which is for the OS 12 for the beta version of the OnePlus Nord 2. Try to scroll down and now you can actually find the option which is called the download now. So first download the file. So click on the download now. This will take to the white page. Try to click on the three dots and open with the browser. Now the file will start automatically downloading, as you can clearly see friends. So once you download this 4.57 GB, once you download, you need to change the file name. So you need to rename. Just remove this ZAR. So just keep the zip as a last file name. I'll try to show you exactly how to do that. So once after you download, from the download folder, you need to move it to the main folder, main internal storage, as you can see from download. So go to the download folder and move the file from the download folder to the normal internal storage, and here's the file, as you can see friends. So once this file has been moved, you need to change the name similarly like this. So try to keep the zip as an end name. Remove the ZAR name, as you can see. So these are the name will be there. So system/vendor.zip, this is a name. And once you're done that, once you copy it into the main storage, internal storage, not in any other folder, now try to follow the instruction which they did mention. So I'll try to show you exactly, and please make sure to keep your battery very high, similarly like this. As you can see, right now I did keep up to 97%, but try to charge to 100% to be on safe side. So what I did was I did try to take the screenshot as well, in case when the phone gets switched off, to get to know all the instruction. You can try to take the screenshot, or maybe you can capture in another phone and try to read the instructions. So right now first step is to download the suitable rollback package from the links below. Copy the rollback package to the phone storage. That's what I did do. And go to the settings application, about the name, version. I think that is for the rollback. This is for the normal. So copy the ROM update package to the phone storage and power off the phone, pressing the power button and volume down button for 10 seconds at same time. And let's do that right now, power button and the volume down button. So let me try to exactly press for about 10 seconds of time. That's what the time that it mentioned exactly. Power button and the volume down button. Or maybe I need to power off manually. So let me to shut down the phone, and then let me to press the power button and the volume down button. So right now I'm trying to press power button and the volume down button. Yes, finally the phone did boot up in the recovery mode, as you can see right now. So right now it's booting up exactly. And once the phone boots up, I need to, select with the language. So language English. Let me to press the power button, I think. Yes. So once you select the language, try to install from the storage. Let me to click on that one. Install from the storage, from the phone storage. And now I need to select to the file. So these are the internal folders file names which are available right now. I need to scroll down to the zip file. Zip file will be present at the last, or maybe at the top also it's present, as you can see in the zip file, which is a system.vendor.zip. This is exactly file which is present right now. So once you're in the phone store, now let me to click on this one, power button. And installation package, this operation cannot be undone. So this is a message you will be getting exactly. And let me to click OK. And updating in progress. As you can see friends, so these are simple it is in the OnePlus Nord 2 to install the Android 12 right now. So no data will be erased if you try to install in this way, but if you want to roll back, then the data will be erased. So that's something to be noted friends. Right now this process is going to take some time, so don't try to press any power button. So don't do it anything, just keep it side. So I'll try to show you exactly how much time it actually takes as well, so which might give the clear idea. So step-by-step process I'm trying to show you. First download the file from the browser, not from normal application browser. And then second step is to change the name of the file name, remove that ZAR file. And third is to move that file name from the you'll be getting this message saying that installation successful. As you can see, you should be able to get this message. So once you click that reboot, right now the phone will be rebooting and the Android 12 should be completely installed in your OnePlus Nord 2. So this is a simple way of installation of the Android 12 in your OnePlus Nord 2 device. And this ROM is only available for right now for about Indian market only, friends. So Indian unit users only. So in case if you're using the European unit, so I would definitely advise not to try at this moment in your device. And this also gonna take some time to reboot, I guess, but definitely friends, I'll try to concentrate on other aspects of this device. What are the issues, what are the things you should know before you actually install. So please make sure to hit that subscribe and like button and follow me regularly for more updates on the OnePlus Nord 2. And is a quick look at the Oxygen OS 12 in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So it's gonna take some time. I'll definitely concentrate on charging speed, battery backup and performance, all other aspects. So stay tuned for those videos. Right now it's kind of optimizing at this point exactly. So I've been waiting for this Android 12 for so many months. So like OnePlus Nord 2 is the last phone which did receive the Android 12, because all other phones in this segment did receive the Android 12. Like Moto H20 recently, Realme phones already received, I think 3 months back, beta version. And POCO phones like POCO F3 GT, Mi 11X device. So those phones already received the Android 12, but this time the OnePlus is too late in terms of providing the updates for the Nord 2 users. I'm not sure what the reason is exactly. But finally we got this entering the pin code. I did not like this pin code because it got completely moved to the top side instead of bottom side. And here's a quick look at the icons and everything got changed before and after. You can definitely see the difference. And there will be, I think, new shelf mode will be added either. So there's a new shelf mode which has been added in the OnePlus Nord, which I'll try to discuss later on in another videos. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. But overall friends, so you can actually install the Android 12 in your OnePlus Nord 2 device. As you can see, Android 12 version and April security patch update as well. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and signing off and bye. Don't forget to follow my channel and also click that like button as well in case if this video is helpful for you. Until then, signing off and bye.